In this short tutorial video we will cover model profiling. After training a model, or even during a training run, the model's performance can be reviewed. Let's open the profile for this model by clicking the View Profile button. This window provides multiple ways to view the profile of your model. Starting with the Performance tab that we are looking at now, we see that the axes are precision and recall. As we move the mouse cursor around inside the chart, we can see information updating in the right panel, allowing visibility of specific precision and threshold information at any given point in the data. Clicking anywhere in the chart will freeze that snapshot point wherever you click. This will keep the data to the right visible instead of updating it. Clicking a second time will unfreeze that view. Hovering my cursor over any data point will display a tooltip containing the recall, precision, and threshold values for that data point. Clicking the question mark icon will show a description of what that chart does. There are multiple chart types available to review this information. Just select the one you want from the drop-down in the upper center of the window. We see options for Precision Recall Curve, which is the current chart shown, ROC Curve or Receiver Operating Characteristics Curve, Accuracy and finally Loss. The field to the left of that drop-down allows setting the update interval in seconds. If this model were training right now, I could control how often this chart data would update by submitting a value in this field. Unchecking items in the list to the right of the chart will allow filtering of what is or is not displayed. You can see when I uncheck options, the chart dynamically hides them and adjusts the scale. The confusion matrix is next. This shows us a color-coded table of accuracy values. Working with a set of known results, the closer a prediction is, the higher the accuracy score. According to this matrix, images of a shirt were identified as a coat 47% of the time. The distribution of numbers in a given row will always equal 1. This is also true for the numbers in every column. Clicking any box in this matrix will show additional information about the accuracy of that prediction. The client will load a bar chart of all of the samples taken during the training, resulting in the score you see on the box. If I were to click any bar in the chart, the system would loading the corresponding sample of records used for the predictions into the area below the chart. The last two tabs, Explainability and Details, provide more metrics and statistics from the training run. This concludes the Lucd Client Model Profiling tutorial video. Thank you and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when new content is available.